Hey, it's Hanan. Hello, people of JTPL. My name is Hanan, and I am Now Your Mondays. I don't really know what to say because of my awkwardness, but first of all, let me just say something. First things first. If you understand my shirt, then you are my new best friend and I love you. Okay, I'm sorry. So I thought I'd start by telling you guys something about myself, so maybe you'd get a better idea. Okay, fun fact. I'm making my intro video living on 4 hours sleep. What is my life? I'm really excited to be on JTPL. We have some themes written down for you guys. And if you guys have any other theme ideas, we could do comment them below on this video or any other video on JTPL. You guys can follow me on Twitter. Follow me on twitter.com/HeyIt'sHanan and follow the other girls too. I will have all of our Twitters downstairs. That sounds a bit wrong. I am currently in college/university. And I also have my own main channel, which I will also link below if you want to check out my videos. I started my videos like this summer. Was it July? I think it was July. Anywho's. Okay, fun fact. I actually just dressed up the upper part of my body. The downstairs part of my body is just these ugly knee-length trousers, which you will not see. Please don't judge me. And you guys might notice that in my videos on here, my editing might be a little bit off, and that's because I have a stutter. And every time I stutter in a video, I try to cut it out when I'm editing, which is why every time you hear me say a sentence and it sounds a bit off, like the words are a bit off, it's because I stuttered in that sentence and I cut it off. Yeah, that's it for now. Subscribe to us and subscribe to our main channels. Follow our Twitters, tweet us. I don't know if you guys heard that, but my neighbor's rooster just cock-a-doodled. You hear that? I'm not crazy. My mother had me tested. I'm not Sheldon Cooper. You're driving me crazy! But yeah, that is it for now. And I will see you guys next Monday. Bye-bye!